Today is our travel day. We're supposed to leave from where we were staying for past 2 months and go to Jacksonville. And sure enough, there's another problem. We were having some issues with our hydraulic system. Sometimes when we were retracting the jacks or pulling the slides in, it would stop and then it would keep going. And it would stop, it would keep going. And I thought that we had some air in our system and our fluid was a little low. So I added some fluid, and today we go to adjust, lift the landing gears, getting ready to hook up to a truck, and it just quit working altogether. So I've been troubleshooting, and finally I thought I had too much fluid, and I didn't know exactly what happened. I was looking for a manual override, which that wasn't helping me either. I could hear it click when you would push the button, so the relay was turning on the pump, but the pump was actually not working. I'll explain how it works in just a minute. But anyway, so I started troubleshooting some wires. It turned out to be that there was a circuit breaker that was bad. So I just went to West Marine and picked up a better one, and we're gonna install it and we're gonna hit the road. So this is the reservoir for the fluid, and the pump is right over here. So this is the pump, and you have a post on this side and a post on the other side that controls. There's a positive and negative, and if relay switches it over, then so it will spin one way or another way. So there's no real level markers where it's supposed to be. My fluid level was way lower, so I added some, which I'm gonna have to check again because I read the manual after I did that. After everything's retracted, all the landing gear and stabilizer jacks and the slides are in, it's supposed to be maybe about a ½ inch below the surface, so we'll check that. But what I started doing, I took my test light and put it to ground, and then started checking all these posts right here, and none of them had power. And when I would push the button, only this wire right here would actually turn the light on, which these two wires that control this relay, and that controls the pump. So then I traced this wire where it's going, since we were not getting any power to it, and it comes out of the other side. So this is the test light that I use, so you could see there's no power right now. Well, there's power on that one. There's no power here, and no power here. So these things right here, they kind of look like this. All that is, it's a circuit breaker. So you have a power coming from your battery to this post right here. When you work in your system, when it gets to the end, when the pump is pumping, it will actually start shorting out, and this will break the circuit. So this thing went bad, and that's why nothing was happening. So I couldn't find exactly the same one. So I went to West Marine and got one of these circuit breaker, which actually has like a reset thingy on it. So it's a lot bigger, but I have plenty of room. So we're gonna put it in. I think it's gonna be actually better, like a good upgrade. This thing is about 60 bucks. They gave me a deal at the store, so I only paid about 40. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's do auto level. That worked perfectly. Everything seems to be working quite good. So you can see how the pump is just moving this fluid, and it just moves the trailer up and down. We have an auto level system, so right now it's just leveling the trailer. And when that beeps, it just lets me know that we're already leveled. I love the system when it works. Anyway, we're all good to go. I just got to clean up real quick, and we can hit the road. Yeah, this heat is no joke. The only thing it's cool, it's only good to go to the beach. Other than that, it's pretty hot. But if you don't have to like work, like load stuff, fix stuff, it's not bad at all.
Oh, it's pretty bad. I'm not working and I'm dying. hours later.
Yeah, some unforeseen repairs, but I think this thing's been going out for a long time, so I'm glad that at least we have that fixed. We really needed to be in Jacksonville at 5 p.m. Right now it's 4:15. And we have how many hours?
4 hours.
Almost 4-hour drive. So it's not gonna happen. But hey, gotta remember you're not in a hurry, so might as well fix everything, do everything you need to do. What else want to say?
I don't know, I'm dying of heat. Alright, we're gonna turn back our air.
Feels good though to be back on the road. I miss this.
I changed my shirt twice today.
This whole thing of working a lot, that's for the birds.
Yeah, we're gonna take a little break from working and then we'll see where we're gonna end up. I'm ready for a nap and a snack.
Jane, look, volume is up and I don't hear anything.
How long we've been in Florida? Since November. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. We're almost 9 months.
Jane, I don't know.
Like 8.5 months we've been in Florida.
Could have had a baby and nobody would notice.
Like you, PBS kids will.
Half an hour later, we had to stop because we forgot to take Daria to the bathroom.
In downtown Tampa.
Oh!
In traffic. It's all good. The joy of life. You just gotta enjoy all these moments. Well, the sun just went down and we made it to Jacksonville. So we're gonna go hang out with my sister for a little bit tonight. We haven't figured out where we're parking tonight either, but I guess we'll see it. I think we might be a little bit too big to fit in her backyard, but there's always a plan B, right?
Did you see Walmart?
There's Walmart Hotel, that's for sure.
Jacksonville very late last night and we just parked right next to his sister's house right on the street and we spent the night inside their house, and this morning we're going to Hanna Park. I think that's what it's called, or like a short name of it. It's about 10 minutes away from their house, and I believe it's a state park, so we're going to spend 2 nights there. It's right on the beach. It's pretty fun, you know, riding around, dragging this thing around the streets, triple axle, making U-turns and dodging trees. So we have pretty good weather today, and there was one spot available at the Hanna Park last night when I booked it because tomorrow is the weekend, and I'm sure the state parks are pretty big. They have maximum length limit of 45 feet. But there's only a few spots that actually can handle 45 feet. And it was the last one available last night when I booked. I'm pretty excited. It's supposed to be nice and wooded. We've been to that park before. I really like it. And it's the closest to his sister's house. So we didn't want to stay about an hour away where we stayed last time, and we want to stay close here because we're only spending 2 nights here, 3 nights here.
We're gonna use all of the time that we can possibly use.
And hopefully tomorrow we can go for a sunrise again, since we can just walk there. And today is our 15-year anniversary. Can you believe it? 15 years
With
together
this guy.
with this guy.
Best 15 years ever.
That's how he feels. Must be true.
Guess whose birthday is today?
Mine!
How old are you?
10!
All right, we're up to double digits.
Yep.
Anyway, we're staying in Jacksonville, Florida. There's this amazing park. It's actually really close to my sister's house. That's where we're staying here, but it's called Hanna Park. I think it's managed by the city of Jacksonville, and it's not like smack on a beach. You don't see the water from your camper, but it's by the beach. So you could walk right to the beach here. And sunrises here are top of the line. Gorgeous. So we did another sunrise. We did that once before, only one time, because we're having a hard time getting up in the morning. And we almost missed it again.
But the sunrises are a little later now, not like at 5:30.
Yes, and last time we had to drive in an hour. So today we could just get out of our campground, drive over here, which was like 2 minutes, not even, and just see the sunrise.
I think the price is about $33.50 for an RV site, and I'm pretty sure all of them, or most of them, have full hookups.
Yeah, so full hookups, pretty cheap. A lot of big trees. That's like really dreamy kind of campground. There's a lot of pull-through sites at the campground, and big rig friendly, believe it or not. We have a 43.5, and we fit, and we were able to even put our back deck down, so there is plenty of room. A little tight kind of streets, but it's actually what makes it really cool. It's really cozy. Yeah, so today is our last day in Florida. Tomorrow we leave in Florida. We've been here since November, so it's been a long time. And we really love Florida. We enjoy the beach and all of this heat. Not so much the bugs, but we are ready to go up north for a while. So we're just soaking it in, the last of it today.
Oh,
and the tide is coming in.
Oh, it almost made it.
I brought my bike from home specifically to Florida because I knew it's going to be warm and I could ride all winter long, and we've been here for a long time. I don't ride my bike enough to justify hauling it around with me, and now that we're heading back up north, I was thinking about leaving it at home, but I think I'm just going to leave it at my sister's house and hopefully she's going to use it. What a gorgeous morning. Sunrises are the best. So waking up is hard. But here we are again, watching another sunrise. And it's gorgeous.